This is the kit I bought for the Kymco Superfever ZX. It's for also Honda DIO, and it's called Polini Sport and also Polini Contessa. So if you can see here, it's 47mm, and it's for the Kymco DJ also. Anyway, I thought I would show you what's in the package. It's a 70cc. You get the piston, and you got a main jet. I believe this size is 82, which to me sounds a bit small, but yeah. Get 2 rings. Got this, I don't know what you call them in English, cold bolt, 12mm. And you get some, I think you call them studs to put in here. And you got a kind of manual. I'll show you what's in it. And you get a exhaust gasket, and this is the head gasket, I believe. You put it in here. It's a bit strange. And then the cylinder foot gasket. So this is how the Contessa or the Sport looks. Get the boost port there. It's not that super big. Yeah, and this is the head, 70cc head. Feels like I don't know if this is cast iron or, yeah, I think so. It's not aluminum, I don't think so. Might be. This is cast iron anyway. Pretty heavy. So what else? We got this. Got some stickers. And we got carbon fiber reed valve. And yeah, here we have Honda DIO SP-SR GP-ZX Kymco CX-DJY. But it seems to fit my Kymco ZX also. It's a GR1 engine. Yeah, so that's an introduction to what's in the kit. It's a Polini, Italian made. So this is the Polini Contessa. Seems to be fitting. Got the Polini brand hiding behind the intake. So the finish looks good. Brown.